put the jury in the box and let's have a fair trial. That's all we're asking for.
I don't want to die, but I'm
High-profile supporters of Texas death row inmate Robert Roberson are fighting for his innocence.
Robertson is accused of killing his 2-year-old daughter more than 20 years ago, and he was supposed to testify before state lawmakers yesterday, but that did not happen.
KVUE's Malia Masumoto joins us now live in the studio with more. And Malia, what brought about this change?
Well, Yvonne, Roberson was set to testify virtually yesterday after some legal back and forth between his attorneys and the Office of the Attorney General. But Chair of the Texas House Criminal Jurisprudence Committee, Joe Moody, worried that would be harmful to him because of Roberson's communication challenges with autism. Now, this subpoena to have Roberson testify before the committee effectively paused his execution that was scheduled to happen last week. Although Roberson himself did not testify, the committee brought in several major people involved in this case, including his attorney, an original juror, and even author John Grisham. The hearing lasting until about 10:30 last night. Now, those testifying speaking about how since the shaken baby syndrome theory has been debunked, Roberson's case should be reconsidered because that was the center of his original trial.
Robert's trial was grossly unfair. There was nothing even, well, aside from the junk science. The science was terrible. The science has been debunked and discredited and disproven now for the past 15 years. We know it's bad science.
Yesterday, Governor Greg Abbott finally broke his silence on the case. His attorney writing to the Texas Supreme Court that the House committee overstepped their authority in subpoenaing Roberson. He's concerned that unless the Texas Supreme Court rejects this tactic, it can be repeated in every capital case, effectively taking away power that only the governor has. And because the House committee did this, that means Roberson could not be executed until at least next year because Texas law requires at least a 90 days notice of a new execution date. And as if for Roberson himself will actually get to testify, lawmakers are still trying to figure that out right now. Yvonne and Rob.